Hello, this is Build Your Resume Part 2. This video will help you export your resume that you built in Naviance. Once you get logged into Clever and made it to your Naviance student homepage, find the Build Resume task. Find that pink arrow and click here. So this student has already added sections to her resume. So once you have done that, you will want to click on Print Export Resume. From here, you will need to click on the pink plus sign. You will need to name your resume, and then you must choose a template from the list. You may preview each layout to see which one you like best, and then you will hit Continue. From here, you will need to add every section that you want displayed on your resume. So if it's highlighted, it will be added. Once you have them all selected, click Save Resume. And from here, you're able to edit the resume, and then you're also able to download it as a PDF and save it on your desktop. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the College and Career Center.